Well, hi guys, welcome back to Glam and Gown and hope you guys are doing great. Well, I am doing great, and as the title says, we're going to talk about this beautiful machine from the brand The Plush Company. This is their laser hair reduction, permanent laser hair reduction sitting at home. This is for both men and women. So now you can remove hair permanently sitting at home for your bikini area, arms, legs, full body. And with weekly treatments, one can reduce 98% hair reduction within just 4 weeks. The best part about this device is it's absolutely painless, guys, and lovely device. I'm going to tell you more about this brand now. With the Plush Company, a homegrown Indian brand selling in beauty devices and skincare. Well, they're globally certified and approved an at-home laser hair reduction handset that removes hair permanently by breaking your hair growth cycle. And also, guys, they are the first one to introduce certified IPL handsets in India. Well, now I'm going to throw some light on how the device works, what does it do, and all the consequences. This is a handset, guys, that removes hair permanently. Now you don't have to go to the expensive salons, clinics for laser hair reduction that costs like bomb.com. You have to pay so much of money for the sessions, for each and every sessions. You just have to buy this one and you're good to go. Trust me, like I have used probably like more than 8 times now, and it's giving me such great results. It's been 2 months that I've been using this device, okay, kid you not. And I told you guys on my Instagram story as well. If you're following me on Instagram, you know that I've been updating all these stuff on my stories. Well, there I updated that okay, I got this device and I've been using it. Like after that I never I just wanted to use this one. I don't wanted to go to the clinics for the laser hair reduction. I just felt so comfortable using this device, and it's a beautiful, brilliant product.
Well, that's how you turn on the device. Well, you can always set up the level of intensity. Well, I had used the device earlier, which is why it was already set up at level 8. But then as a beginner, guys, you have to start it from level 1. You cannot just directly jump to level 8. You have to use level 2 to 4, like start it from 2 to 4 for sensitive areas like inner thighs, stomach, face, bikini line. And keep in mind that before using the IPL, you have to shave the targeted area first. Do not wax or plug during laser treatment. Okay, now here I don't have hair on my body because I've been doing the laser treatment, and then I've been using this device as well, so which is why I did not shave the area. But then I'm just showing you guys how it works. You can just put the IPL head in full contact with the skin. You can choose the intensity mode that suits you. You can just treat once a week for 8 to 12 weeks, followed by a monthly maintenance session if needed. And also a very important thing, guys, avoid flashing continuously at a spot, like at the same spot. You cannot just use back and forth the device. Okay, you have to keep moving your device. Okay, always apply aloe vera gel if you're a beginner before using the IPL for higher intensity level. You can just choose between manual or auto mode. So the light that's coming from the device is absorbed by the pigment in the hair, causing a buildup of energy which turns to heat. Now the heat travels down the hair follicle and disables or destroys the cells that make new ones.
Alright, so now I'm going to share a few questions with you guys that were asked by the viewers, and trust me, this is going to be super helpful to you guys. And we'll start the questionnaire now. The first question is, can I use gel before IPL? Well, absolutely correct. As I mentioned in the video, that you have to use aloe vera, a thick layer of aloe vera gel before you use the IPL device. And it says you can use it like before IPL for level 5. You can just start the intensity from 1 to 5. In between that, you can use the device. And the second question says, does it burn the skin? Well, it has 8 levels of intensity, and you can start with low intensity and just to adjust to the device first, and it will only target hair and burn them, not your skin, guys. Okay, so yes, Very important, use aloe vera gel before using the device. And personally, if you ask me, I don't apply aloe vera gel before this IPL because I can bear the pain. Now I've been getting my laser hair done from the clinic, so I'm very much used to it, so I don't I don't need the aloe vera gel for it. But yes, again, this is not for everyone. You guys might have more sensitive skin than mine, right? So you have to apply the gel first before using the device. The third question, will hair stops growing after 12 weeks? Well, up to 90% hair will stop growing after 12 weeks, guys. However, the maintenance session will be needed once a month to keep hair from growing. Okay. The fourth question is, how often should I use IPL? Well, for best results, use twice a week. Start it from twice a week. Move slowly and do at least 2 rounds to cover the targeted area fully. Next question is, how long does it take to see results? Well, you should see results in 2 to 3 weeks. Now, this is for all hair types. During this type, hair will not stop growing completely, but the growth will be slow, and hair that grows now will be shorter and fine. Can men use IPL for chest? And as I mentioned, yes, it can be used by both men and women. In fact, more than 50% of men use this device for the chest hair. The next question is, can IPL be used to remove facial hair? Well, yes, absolutely. It is suitable for face as well as the whole body. Start with level 1 and then gradually just increase the level. Okay, 1, 2, then 3, and then 4. Well, yes, that was it, guys. And if you have more questions, you can just ping me on Instagram, just DM me, or you can DM brand as well. You can just put comments on the comment section. If you have more question, you can just write down your question on the comment section, and I'm sure the brand will just check and will get back to you on that. Well, if you ask me, it's definitely worth every penny, and glad that I got this device, and it's really helpful. Okay, I think it's gonna save a lot of money as well, so definitely give it a try, guys. Give it a shot. I'm sure it's not gonna disappoint you, but yes, be careful about it, how to use. I've told you already. If you have more questions, please feel free to get in touch with us. That was it for the video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you so very much, guys, for being around me and for supporting my channel, and you guys know I love you all. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.